Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon maki. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients: fresh, sushi-grade salmon, crisp nori sheets, and perfectly cooked sushi rice. Next, prepare your rice by seasoning it with a blend of rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Finally, carefully slice your salmon into thin, uniform strips, ideally about 1/4 inch thick, ensuring they are ready for rolling. Now, let's begin assembling our delicious salmon maki. First, lay a single nori sheet onto your bamboo rolling mat, making sure the shiny side faces down. Next, gently spread about 3/4 of a cup of your seasoned sushi rice evenly across the nori. Remember to leave a clear, 1-inch strip of nori bare at the top edge. This will help seal your roll later on. With your rice spread, it's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully arrange your salmon strips and any other desired fillings like cucumber or avocado horizontally across the rice. Now, using your bamboo mat, begin rolling the nori tightly from the bottom edge upwards. Apply gentle, even pressure throughout the roll to create a firm, perfectly cylindrical log, ensuring everything stays compact. Finally, let's prepare your beautiful salmon maki for serving. Moisten a very sharp knife with water to prevent sticking, then carefully slice your rolled log into 6 to 8 uniform pieces. Arrange these freshly cut pieces artfully on a serving platter. Serve your delicious homemade salmon maki immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a dab of spicy wasabi for an authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.